Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a video that I know a couple of you know about, but I got my husband a doll for his birthday, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look, so stay tuned to see his reaction. I am so excited for this. Okay guys.
Are you recording?
So this is the surprise for his birthday. Super special birthday surprise. Are you ready?
Are you recording?
Yes.
You didn't have to give me this. All we had to do is have sex. We don't have that very often. So
But this is so cool. Wait till you see what it is.
Alright, so apparently I don't need this.
I'll tell you what it is when you open it.
Hi, welcome to Carrie's Reborns. It's all sticky.
Be very careful.
It's sticky. I don't need gifts. I'm old.
No,
I
you
give
do.
Gifts to the kids.
I asked a couple of my friends, and they said, "Oh my God, you have to get that for him." They said
no,
he is gonna love it. So I have to get a reaction video.
A reaction.
Yep.
No reaction. What if there's no reaction?
Oh my God, it looks like it's wrapped like a mummy. What could it be? All right. So do you want to start with the head?
Shoulders, knees, and toes. Well, is that going to give it away?
Yeah. But the head is the most important thing.
Okay, so I guess.
And this is a one-of-a-kind thing.
Am I gonna pop this off or rip it? Can we be like those old TikTok videos where they sit there and talk like this forever? And I would be like, just open the goddamn thing. So what do you think it is?
So it's up to you. I mean, unless you want to do the body, you could do the body first. The head is separate.
What do you mean separate?
It's separately wrapped.
Oh, it's not attached?
No, the paper's not attached. It's separate. That's the head, though.
Okay, I'm just gonna do the head. What the fuck?
Isn't she cool? So this, I don't know if you remember, babe. A couple years back, they made the Krypt Kiddies. Do you remember those? You should know about those. They sold them at Spencer's, and they're made by Ed and Rita Uhl. So this is a custom-made Krypt Kiddie. She is a one-of-a-kind. And they still sell them, but they sell for like high dollar on eBay.
But is this for me or is this for you?
This is for you. She's too scary for me.
Why would I took a dude, not a girl? I think you bought this for you.
No, she's a custom, and she's got the double horns. Oh my God, look at those teeth. That is just so creepy. And I knew the eyes. The eyes would draw you in. Don't you just love the eyes?
It's a girl.
It's creepy.
It reminds me that you bought this for you.
No, I didn't buy it for me. I bought it for you.
You're all about dolls, and it's a girl doll.
No, but she's too scary for me.
I need a manly doll, man. This is a girl
doll.
Hold
her up. No. Because you have Annabelle.
Yeah, but Annabelle's world famous.
No, but she is too. She's a Krypt Kiddie.
She's a crypt keeper. I don't know.
And then on the back of the neck, it should have the artist. So that's Ed and Rita Uhl. They're the maker of the Krypt Kiddies. So she's a rare, one-of-a-kind Krypt Kiddie. She's very big. And her, oh my God, look at her. Her hands are creepy too. She's got like that bluish, like dead look to her. Oh my God.
Like your ass for ordering this.
Me? What? You like her?
Yeah, what a manly doll.
She's cool.
This is one of your dream dolls. You
could change her clothes.
as an excuse.
No, you could change her clothes. You don't have to
cool,
have her wear that.
But
I thought that you would like the teeth and the eyes and the horns.
I don't want a man doll.
A man? That is a man's doll.
This is exactly what you want.
No.
It's all good.
She's a Krypt Kiddie. You can give her a kiss.
Dirty ass nails and shit. Blue.
I think she was made like back in like 2007. So she does have some age to her. But I just thought she was so cool looking. I do have to repair her one horn though, because the seller did mention that it's a little loose. That's what I was going to fix. It's not that bad, but it turns a little bit, so you just have to be very gentle with that one. But yeah, she's cool. Her eyes freak me out. It's like really trippy. It's like she stares up at you. Hey. So guys, let me know what you think of Brian's birthday gift. Is she cool or what? I know some of you probably won't like her because she's too scary, but some of you will. So let me know what you think. Is she too scary or is she so cute? All right, thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.